Hi, I'm Marta and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today I have another box opening. I bought some stuff. I'm real anxious to open this from AliExpress because I'm expecting another Blythe doll. Some people open Barbies all the time, other people open Rainbow Highs. My channel, it seems to be Blythe's. Although today I do have another doll. I have been waiting for this doll. I need to get started on her face up. Really excited about her. Let's open these real quick. If you hear that knocking around, that clunk, 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 my puppy has a bone. Like Darren said, loudest thing we own. Here are some ears I bought that could or may not be for this elf. I don't know yet. Let's see what else we have. AliExpress is really fun. You get a lot of bang for your buck. It takes forever, but it's worth it. Oh my God, look at these cute shoes. That's a pair of the black boots. I buy these. They're just little inexpensive boots. I like them, and in the other colors, they come in red, white, and black. I buy a lot of whites because I take a marker to them, and I've done, oh, what all have I done? Actually did one in black, believe it or not. I've done green and blue and black and brown. And look at these adorable little shoes. I have a pair of these, but I thought they were for middies, but they're actually for Blythe. So those are very cute, and I got them in white also. Let's open this girl. I hope it's the one I'm thinking. I will not confirm or deny if I have more coming. Of course I do. And I have some minis coming. And I'll tell you what, I really would like to, Darren and I are doing a thing on our channel where we are we are customizing a mini Blythe a month. And I do the face. We add 2 pull strings so the eyes open and close with beads, and I make clothes. Darren makes stands and other fun accessories. About $180 value when we're done if you look around on the internet, which you will not find the same, and none of them come with what we're sending. But if we get sanctioned, that'll have to stop. Or if we sanction China is what I'm going to say. Oh, I love her. She is the doll I was expecting. Isn't she gorgeous? My God, it's like they put double hair on this. Can you see? I don't even know if you can see how thick that hair is. Oh, I love her. And she seems tight and right. And let's check her eyes. Where's the pull string? Here we go. You know, I don't even hate those pink eyes on her, although she's getting customizing, and I bought eyes for her. Gray, blue, amber, and she could wear any of these. Like I said, I really don't hate the pink on her, and I'm not big on that pink. Oh God, she's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God, that hair is so thick. Thick, thick, thick. I bought some fabric from the, how do you say it? Apothecary.
Apothecary.
That is Creative 404. I buy a lot of really tiny fabrics from Joann's and Hobby Lobby. Couldn't think of it. I'm there all the time. How could I not know? But the Alexandra at 404, Creative 404, had some fabric with some little black cats on it that I like, so I went ahead and bought it. I don't know what this is. Can't get it out. Oh, it looks like just papers. I better check. I would hate to have overlooked something. Yeah, it looks like advertisement. Boy, that's tight. Yeah, advertisement. Yeah. And my bill. And some fluff. This is so cute. Look how tiny the print is on that. And I really like that for, like I was saying, the miniature Blythes. They are so tiny. They've got about I think it's I was going to measure 2.5 inches from the neck to the bottom of the feet. And that makes a very tiny body to sew for. I love it.
And that'll be a huge print for them.
Yeah, so I got that. And then I ordered something I have not ordered in a very long time. This month I have been especially spoiled because it's my birthday month. And Darren gets me something every single day. I should be showing everything you get me. Oh my goodness, from dolls to scratch-offs, and he leaves a quarter with it. I think I'm up to about $1. What else? Kinder Eggs, the mini brands. We found those at one of the stores near us, and he bought me some of those. I can't even think what all. And then, of course, he makes me stuff on the 3D printer. But all of this, I get up in the morning and I'm doing my regular stuff. You know, I take the dogs out and this, that, and the other. And then I come in and on my computer there'll be a little something. But I saw this girl, and I have not done this in a while. And Melissa, God love her, at It's a Stroke of Life, Melissa just gave me some cord. I don't know that I'll need it though. These are not real loose. Well, yeah, those might just need tightening. But I got this American Girl, and I knew her hair was a fright, but I got a good deal on her. And I have an idea for her, and I haven't cleaned one up in a while, and that is pretty satisfying. I go all the way. I go deeper than I've seen anybody go. I'll take this fingernail polish off. I'll take the head off. We will tighten the limbs. But when I pull out the stuffing, I clean it too. I wash the body. I wash that hair, get it all straightened out. I really sanitize these dolls. That is a cute sweater on her, isn't it? Really cute little sweater and really cute little skirt. That looks like it's probably, that's American Girl, that's American Girl. The sweater is. Let's see if there's a tag on this skirt. Yes, there is, American Girl. And I wonder if these are American Girl panties. I'll bet they are. And American Girl. Shoot, I got a great deal. The clothes alone are probably worth what I paid. I found her on eBay. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.